I want you to attend on August 19th, the HFMA Northern California 4th Annual Women's Event at the beautiful Palm Event Center in Livermore Wine Country. You don't want to miss this. There is a whole day planned of speakers and training that you don't want to miss, because I heard there is a great keynote speaker who is going to teach you how to fly. Yes, fly. And I know, because that's me. I'm Elizabeth McCormick, former Black Hawk helicopter pilot, and I am going to teach you how to fly. But what fly really means is to first lead yourself so that you can better lead others. You can lead in your industry, and you can be your best. I can't wait to see you there, but you need to register to attend. This one-day event is packed with networking, skill building, inspiration, wine tasting. You don't want to miss this. And if you're an HFMA member, you can bring a coworker, a friend, or a family member for the member rate. On Saturday, August 20th, there's even a 6-hour guided tour on the Livermore Wine Trolley that you can sign up for, but seats are limited, so you need to sign up fast. Register now and get your room at the Sheraton Hotel in Pleasanton, where there's a limited number of rooms available. Sign up by July 18th to get into that group rate. I can't wait to teach you how to fly. I'll see you there. Register now.